Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need Gboard or a keyboard that supports voice typing and microphone access. Grant that permission now. Once done, open WhatsApp and enter the chat where you want to send a message. Tap the text input field to summon the keyboard. Make sure the keyboard showing is the one that supports microphone input. If it isn't, switch keyboards via the keyboard icon or long press the spacebar. This gets you to the exact place to start dictation immediately. Tap the microphone icon to begin voice capture and speak naturally. Short phrases first, then longer sentences. You'll want to say punctuation aloud when needed, for example, hello, how are you, ? The keyboard will insert symbols. If you switch languages, change the keyboard language so recognition matches. For longer messages, use short pauses and review text intermittently. Continuous dictation can drift, so make corrections as you go to keep meaning accurate. After dictation, read the transcription and correct any mistakes with the keyboard or by redictating specific parts. Once the message reads correctly, hit send. If punctuation or capitalization is wrong, edit manually or say the fragment again. If voice typing fails, make sure microphone permission is enabled, your internet or offline voice model is active, and the correct keyboard is selected. Rebooting the phone or reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.